Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Bowling Green, Kentucky. We are headed 7 hours that way to Chicago. We were gonna head to Michigan, get the Gladiator, tow the Supra back to Utah. Unfortunately, though, the timing is it's not gonna work out. So we're gonna drive the Supra back to Utah, get on a flight, fly to Michigan, get the Gladiator, drive it back to Utah. But we're headed to Chicago. We're headed to B.Rogue Built. They specialize in twin turbo Lamborghinis. And no. We are not twin turboing the Supra. At least not today. We're straight piping it, boys. 6.5 hours, 436 miles to Chicago, 1,126 miles on the Supra. I legit just saw a brand new C8 Corvette in rapid blue, my exact same spec. It was going the opposite way down the highway. I couldn't get my camera in time. I'm sorry. It looks so good. I would have flipped it around, but it looks so good. I cannot believe I missed that C8 Corvette. Also, welcome to Indianapolis, Indiana. I just saw another one. I just saw a red C8 Corvette and I missed it again. It looks so good, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait until winter of 2020 when mine arrives. No way, we are at the right spot. Check that out. We have the single turbo Gallardo Superleggera and we have the twin turbo Huracan. We have arrived here to Chicago, Illinois, and we're at my favorite place in the entire city, B.Rogue Built. We have their twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan. Gareth Nation just tried to hook you up. And then we have Matt and his single turbo Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. The last 2 times we have been here, this car was not finished. I think it might be finished now, so we might get a startup, we might get a ride along, more to come on that. But B.Rogue Built specializes in making cars sound amazing, as well as twin turbo kits. And the Supra, as good as it does sound, it's just not loud enough. And so we have, well, you'll see. Welcome here to Lamborghini heaven at B.Rogue Built. We just got twin turbo Lambos everywhere. We got the newest car in the shop. This is going to be the ultimate build here at B.Rogue, the LP 570 Superleggera. We got the R8 right here. We have this R8 V10 Plus. We're about to get a cold startup. Brandon tells me this is the loudest car in the shop. So headphone users, like, seize the moment. This is your time. I'm giving you an opportunity right now. Like right now, like 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's really loud. I didn't realize how loud it was gonna be. Wow. Is this one of your exhausts? Dude, B.Rogue Built exhaust on this car. That is insane. Oh, whoa, dude. You can't just rev it like that without the camera rolling. Oh my gosh, I wish you could. Do it one more time. You can see the clip. That is insane. Yeah. I'm done. I gotta go outside. The Supra's not gonna sound like that, guys. I can guarantee it. I think this is one of those new, like, 4 cylinders. Matt just said this is cute as he looks underneath the Supra. Are you kidding me? Sorry. It's cute. That word should never, ever be described to describe a man's car. That didn't make sense, but you know what I mean. Cute. It is kind of sort of cute, isn't it? Look at this cute little exhaust. This cute little muffler right there. You see that, boys? We're getting rid of that. That's gonna be gone soon. And when I say soon, we're gonna drop it today, and then we're actually gonna reinstall the exhaust today. I know, but we're doing research and development, and soon there will be a new exhaust being installed on this car. Just, this is R&D. He's not doing the payroll, and he's putting in the time and energy. So we got the cats right here. We got like this initial muffler here, more like a silencer, and then we have the main muffler right here. It should be very, very loud, theoretically. All right. Stock exhaust off the Toyota Supra. We got some good coloration right there. We got like a silencer right here and a muffler right there. So this is gonna be straight pipes from the cat back. We still have the catalytic converter right there. So emission-wise, like, green people, we're good. Like, we still have the catalytic converter. All is good in the world. So we're gonna drop the car, and this should be a world exclusive. The first time ever anyone has straight piped a Mark V Supra. Whoa, out of nowhere, a Lamborghini Aventador. Whoa. I don't think it's gonna sound necessarily good. It's definitely gonna be loud, that's for sure. Sounds better. Actually, sounds pretty nice. That's a pretty nice exhaust note. That actually sounds really good. That sounds really, really good. I hope the audio is coming across on camera right now. Like, guys, that is like night and day difference. It sounds so much better. It just has so much more thunder to it. If you're thinking about buying a Toyota Supra or you already have one, get an exhaust ASAP. All we did was just drop the exhaust. That still has the catalytic converters. It sounds so much better. Like before, it sounded like a vacuum cleaner. Not bad, not bad. Toyota BMW to all the German engineers. That thing is sick. Smuggery, just slowly walking back from the twin turbo Huracan. The Supra sounds good, boys, but it ain't no Lambo. Smug smile. I mean, we did donuts in the Supra, but this is a 1,000 wheel horsepower Lamborghini Huracan, so yeah. Brandon is such a show-off. Are you kidding me? Also, God bless Lamborghinis. Am I right? Am I right? That car has 1,000 wheel horsepower. We've left our mark here on Mexico. You beautiful, beautiful country. We'll see you soon. What's going on? What are you up to?
I can't do anything crazy.
No, you have 9 cylinders. He's on 9 cylinders right now. Sounds good. Matt is currently on 9 cylinders right now, and I think because there's 10 cylinders, that's like 90%. He assumes that's like an A, but if anything breaks, so good. It's so good. God bless the V12. God bless the Lamborghini. Also, I think there's like neighbors over there. We're sorry. Actually, they should really be thanking us. I say it all the time, and I've never received a thank you letter. Well, kids, we've reached the emotional part of the vlog. Unfortunately, that exhaust over there, I gotta bolt it back on. I know. But this is just purely for research and development. Don't worry, there will be an exhaust for the Supra very soon. R&D right here. Exclusive behind the scenes. 4. Oh, always. 4. No, Girth Nation. Girth Nation. Yeah, Girth Nation. We're always trying to hook you up. Yeah. Should we go MK4 style, have a single pipe angled outward? That would be pretty sick. And then we need to get a blank just to cover that up. That would be cool. So many things to think about. We gotta let it percolate for a little bit though. We don't want to be rash. So this will be done tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. It'll be done tomorrow. Noon sharp. Noon sharp. Oh, nice. In an unexpected sequence in the car sounds like a vacuum cleaner. In an unexpected sequence in the vlog, we are headed 20 minutes west of here to a garage. Yes, a garage. I'm pretty sure this is the right spot. Yep. This is it. Am I good to film?
Yeah.
I'm good to film. 100%. Are you sure? Yeah. This is like exclusive. What's up, man?
Chris, man.
Chris, nice to meet you. Whoa. Look at this body kit on this Supra. Are you kidding me? This is the Pandem wide body kit. We're talking 4 inches plus 3/4 wider than stock. This is so amazing. So this kit, guys, like, I'm pretty much like almost 99.999% sure I'm gonna get this now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And Girth Nation, you are getting hooked up because look at the monstrosity of this wing. So Pandem actually has 2 wings available. There's this one, and then I'll put a photo of the other one right here. What do you guys think? Which one should I go with? This kit, I think retail is like $8,000, give or take. Could be right, could be wrong. But just look at that cutout right there for like the side marker and everything. It's about 2.5 inches wider up front, 4 3/4 inch wider in the back. This is the first Pandem wide body kit in the world. Guys, like, we're just out here in Chicago getting exclusives for you guys. The first straight pipe Supra and the first Pandem wide body Supra. I think I'm gonna wire money tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. What do you guys think? What do you think? This is the only wide body kit available for the Supra in the world, like on the market. I'm sure, like, you know, 6 months from now there'll be all sorts of kits, but this is the only one available right now. Look at this size difference in fenders right here. This is insane, especially the rear ones. 4 3/4 inch there on the back is insane. Be sure to go follow the owner on Instagram, Slow GTR, link in the description below. This car is gonna be on display at SEMA, and when you see the color he's gonna wrap this thing, like, it is gonna blow your mind. What do you guys think of this wing? Is this too big, or is it not big enough? Yeah, you have to. You don't have a choice. It is 2:01. 2 things, the Supra needs an exhaust ASAP, and then it also needs a wide body kit, also as soon as possible. Coming soon to a vlog near you. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.